Hi everyone, my name is John Papa. Welcome to my course, Vue Getting Started. This beginner-level course takes you on a journey through the fundamental features of Vue. It guides you down the right path, making your own journey with Vue more productive. Along the way, we're going to build a sample application so you can code along while you learn. And after you watch this course, you can use the sample as a reference for your own development. You'll learn how Vue provides a consistent set of patterns for building component-based applications, getting you up to speed quickly. Here's what you'll learn in this course: how to create and run your app with the Vue CLI, how to build components, the building blocks of your application, how to build the user interface with templates, how to choose the right data binding features, how to communicate within and between components, how to get and send data with HTTP, how to add menus and navigate your application with routing, and how to manage data and state with Vuex. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics you need to build your own Vue applications. Please join me on this journey with Vue Getting Started from Pluralsight. I hope you enjoy it.